Hi, Thoburn Church. I'm Rebecca Terleski, and I'm one of the Sunday school teachers here. And I'm excited to share with you some news from your Sunday school teachers that we are going to be starting our Sunday school. This year, things are going to look a lot different than they ever have before, as you can probably imagine, due to the pandemic we're currently in. But we are excited that we're going to get to offer Sunday school lessons. They will be taught virtually, so you will need to access them online. So I'm here to share with you how to do that and to show you how excited we are that we are going to have these lessons and that we can continue to grow together and live according to God's purpose in our lives and learn messages that He wants us to learn and to learn about the love of His Son, Jesus Christ. So, if you could just bear with me a few minutes, I'm going to show you how to access these lessons and to see some activities that you can do at home. This is our church website. This is thoburn.org. You can find the Sunday school lessons by going to the homepage and finding the Sunday school icon right here. You will click it and it will take you to our Sunday school page. Once you are here at the Sunday school page, you can click a link and each week you'll see a different lesson for the week. The lesson itself is going to be a video, and we will have a little intro video. There will be the lesson itself, and then there will be an outro video. Now, these aren't very long, just a few minutes for the intro and the outro video, and the lesson itself is around six minutes or so. And we are also going to be offering an activity guide that I'm going to show you quickly and a parent guide that you can print out. And so parents, you can at home work with your kiddos and know what the lesson message is and how you can support that at home. So the lessons themselves will be right here. They are all real simple links that you can click. You click the video, you watch it, and then when you're finished, you just simply close out of that window and it will take you right back to the Sunday school homepage. Then you watch the lesson, and these are the engaging messages that go with the content from the Bible. So we're excited about that. You X out of that. You watch the outro video that's kind of the summary and the bullet points of what we want the kiddos to walk away with. And then there are some activities up here at the activity guide that you can view. And it gives you a couple different days of things that you can do at home. And there's also a parent guide. This is just for the parents to read through and to know what we are learning in Sunday school and some different downloads that you can do. So that, in a nutshell, is what it's going to look like, how you can get to Sunday school, the Sunday school lessons, and I wanted to show you real briefly how to do that. Each month, there's going to be an overarching theme. September's theme, and I'm excited about this, that we're going to start with is friendship. We're going to be using our words and actions to show others that we care. So there you have it in a nutshell, what Sunday school is going to look like online. Our hope is that soon we'll be back together teaching Sunday school. Until then, please get online, view these awesome lessons, keep growing, keep learning, and reach out if you have any questions or need any kind of support. We want you also to invite any friends. They can go to our thoburn.org page as well and get to our Sunday school lessons. The more people we can share the amazing news of Jesus Christ with, the better. So, thank you for your time. Hope to see you on your computer for Sunday school.